Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Now in this tutorial we will create one more endpoint which will facilitate the get books API with, so we have to write the API slash books, and then we need to pass here one ID. So that ID we will pass using colon and then ID. This is the rule that we can follow to pass some parameter from the request, and then we have here response. We can write the same code as we are writing earlier. In this one you can say this is just similar to above one. The difference here is in this one we are passing parameter as well. What we have to do, we have to match this ID with the array that we have already here. So what we will do, we will filter the particular object and will return it. So let's write here const book equal to books dot find. So we will use find and then we'll have to pass C. So let's say C or any variable name you can use, v, and then v dot id equal to this should be equal to. So by default whenever you will pass anything it will be treated as one string. So we have to convert that string into integer to match with the value. So we have to write parse int and then we'll pass req dot params dot id. So this way we are just converting whatever ID we will get from here into integer format, and that integer will be matched with the value that is available in this particular array, and based on that we will get here book, and then we can check here if books, that means this object is blank or undefined. In that case what we have to do, we have to send response dot status as 404, that is not found, dot send, and then we can say some message data, or let's say we can say books not found, books not found. Else what we will do, we will simply send response dot send and then we'll say book. So this is simple one. You have to find the data based on the ID. You will get here one particular object of book. If book is empty or undefined, we will simply say that 404 not found, and then we'll say book is not available or books not found. Right? Books not found. And then if everything is okay, then we can simply send this book object. Now once you will save it, it is already deployed. Let's go to the postman and try to send the request. So what we will do, we'll create one more request. We can create here, right click, add request, and give the request name, that is get books by ID. Here we have to use the API URL that we have along with that slash ID. So let's say if I put ID 1, then we should get a response, right? We should get one object for the ID, matching ID. So here we can see title Java programming and ID is 1. If I'll pass here 2, then we should get C# programming. If I'll pass here 3, then we will get Node.js programming. Now if I pass 4, then in that case what should happen? It is saying 404. You can see status is 404, and then here also we get the message books not found. We can save this request for future reference, and in the next tutorial we will see how we can add new books, how we can send post request. So right now we are doing get request. Next tutorial we will see how we can send post request.